Welcome to Rayleigh's Small Engines. Oh my God, will you look at this thing. I swear I take in stuff sometimes I probably shouldn't. Full cab, this is old Kawasaki Mule. I guess I might do a little videoing on it. Let's look inside. Isn't that nifty? This thing has even got a heater. Pretty neat. Roll cage. And guy comes in, he says, it is leaking gas. So when I open it up, air breather's off. These bad boys are corroded. I can even see it through the slides, and these are carburetors like what's on a four-wheeler motorcycle. But I can fix it. Let me lower this back down. Still recording. Tough phone. Look at this. Hazmat, U.S. Air Force. Kawasaki. No passengers. Oh well. Anyhow, I'll give y'all an update. We get started on it. I'm gonna do a little video, and I think. Take care. Have a great day. Click that subscribe. Click the like button, and smash that bell so you know when I post another video. Have a great day, folks. Thank you.